Ever since I made friends with you every year, at the very beginning or onset of spring, whenever I break eggs in my home for cooking, I do it very consciously. I break open the base part only gently, take off the contents, use it for cooking, clean the shell, wash it properly, and let it dry and use it for my crafting. I generally use some pastel colors to paint my eggs. Sometimes I even add patterns. Today I'm going to make simple speckled eggs for decor. I'm using a light shade of blue and also a pastel soft green. Today I'm joining Liza from Our Grey House and Sarah from Jujube DIY along with Tammy from Happiness Created for the first Friday DIY challenge. So the links to the channels and the playlist will be given down in my description box. This is very therapeutic, just maybe an hour or so, and you have some beautiful decor for your home. I'm going to share two different ways of adding speckles or dots to your eggs. First one, I'm using a toothbrush. This is a baby toothbrush that I saved from my kids' childhood just for crafting. I took some acrylic paint, diluted it slightly, dipped my brush in it, and using my thumb, I'm just going to spray my eggs with a deeper blue color. And you can observe that it has this even spread of deep blue speckles or dots over the light blue background of the egg. It's beautiful, it's very professional, perfectly done this way. Just turn over the eggs and do the other sides too. Let them dry. The second method is using a brush. Again, a little diluted acrylic color. Now I'm using brown over the green eggs. Just hold the brush in one hand and with the other hand just tap it, flick it so that the speckles or the dots fall onto the egg. Now you see these form an uneven distribution of dots or speckles, some big, some small, some clustered, some spread out. This is another style, another technique. So many high-end stores such as Pottery Barn sell speckled eggs for spring decor, and these cost something around 16.5 US dollars for a set of 6. Pretty expensive, but you can make them, and I make these every year, and by the time I'm decorating for spring, I have a huge collection of eggs. And believe me, it is so satisfying doing this craft, so easy to do too. I use them in various ways decorating in my home, and I hope I have been able to inspire you to save some of your energy, time, and hard-earned money and do this therapeutic crafting thing that you will enjoy and cherish this season. And once the season is over, you can just, without a second thought, toss it all away, clear up your space, and be prepared for what's coming next. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up and write down your thoughts down in the comment section below. I'll see you soon again. Thank you, everybody. Have a blessed day.